Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. To make these little birds, I'm going to work with some worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. And I'm going to start with chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to form the beak. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into that double crochet, and that will form the beak. And make 7 more double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So that's a total of 10 double crochet. So you double crochet 3, you make the chain 3 for the beak, 7 more. Slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. Now if that hole is too large for the bead, for the eye, you can pull it to close it, but that's a perfect place to place the eye. So now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to turn, double crochet in that same stitch as the chain 2, and then I'm going to make 2 double crochet in each of these stitches. So that's a total of 6 stitches across the row. So 1 and 2, and in this stitch 1 and 2, and that's how that looks. Now I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and I'm going to double crochet in that first stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next, half double crochet in this stitch, and a single crochet in the last stitch. Now I'm going to turn, but I am not going to chain 1. I'm going to slip stitch into this first stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in each of the remaining 3 stitches. So 1 in the same stitch, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. So there's your bird's body. And now I'm going to make the tail. So I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in that very first stitch, I'm going to slip stitch. And I'm going to chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch in that same stitch. And chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slip stitch in the same stitch. And there's the bird's body. Fasten off. And that will be the bird's body. To make the wing, I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch. Chain 2. Make 6 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fasten off. And there you have the wing. Pull that end back into the back of the wing. Tie these into a square knot. Cut the shortest end off. Thread the yarn end into a needle. And sew it to the body. like that. Stick this yarn end back into the body. And I threaded this yarn end into a needle. And I'm going to use that to sew on my bead for the eye. Like that. And there you have a little bird. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.